Of my 52-inch Craftmade Decorative and antique brass, and here is the Craftmade logo. I want to say it was manufactured sometime in the mid-90s, given the logo. And I got this off Craigslist almost 2 years ago now. I finally hung it, and I did get an identical one with it, albeit with a light and longer down rod, but I mean, I didn't film that one because it was kind of hard to, the way the light was set up, I had to pull the chain. It's one of those bull lights. But anyway, this is without the light. And I hung it right here in this spot. It's got the 2-inch down rod on it. Sorry if the canopy's not there all the way, but it's only going out here. And there's a vent pattern. Can do 4 or 5 blades, but I think this looks better with 5. I don't know. I think all the fans have these type of blades. So I'll show you right there. See, it's got the round tip, most commonly found on Craftmade Decorative. So that's what they call it, the decorative blades. And I do have one in all black. I did have one red polished brass, but one of the blades was badly warped on it. I just decided to donate it because, I tried doing everything I could to de-warp the blade, but nothing was working, so I said forget it. And this one's better. It runs quite nice. And yeah, I know what you're thinking. Yeah, it's just a builder fan. Okay, I get that, but it's got some unique features to it, like the blades being one, and it's got the contemporary finish. Right there is the reverse switch. Okay, let's rev it up. First on low. That's my neighbor out mulching his leaves. In case you're wondering, just ignore that. It's got a nice aesthetic low to it though. And we'll try it on medium. It's gaining some more momentum. Yeah, I feel a little bit of air, a little bit of draft, but we shall try it on high. You have a slight shake to it, slight at the very, very maximum. It was a decent amount here, not too much, but it's just a builder fan, so what do you expect? But I mean, I like it because the aesthetics of it, the design, uniqueness of it. Might have a little bit of bearing noise, but that's okay. I've seen a lot worse. I've heard a lot worse, rather. But I think we'll power this fan down. See what kind of a spin down time it has. I think those bearings have seen their better days, but still not a bad fan nonetheless. But anyway, this concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.